All right, welcome back to computer science. I forgot to turn this fan off. I had lab today, but I forgot to recall what I learned in lab, so let's go ahead and do that now. We did a little program with Wordle, like creating Wordle and using Wordle. So that was fun. We used this function called colored, which can change the letters or words that are output in a terminal. And so, yeah, it was mostly about string functions and list functions, though. That's mostly what we were working on. I did it fine. So on that note, let's jump into what I got to do by tonight, which is assignment, all the small programs that are due this week. So I'll leave back to recall what I did a little bit. All right, my brain is fried. I just about did an hour, almost an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 15 of programming. I finished 5 of the 8 programs, which means there's still plenty more to do, which is kind of crazy. This is because I didn't do the total amount of time last week, and that's because I was sick, and now I'm paying for it right now. Yeah, not much to say other than we did a bunch of programs working with functions. Yeah, mostly functions. Yeah, I mean the lectures are called more about writing function scope and namespace, and then function arguments and returns. So like all about just writing functions. So yeah, I'm not even gonna try to spend the next 5-10 minutes to recall all the different types, like exact programs we did, just because I've got a lot more to do today now. So that's gonna do it for now. I'll be back later to talk to you then. All right, I've gone for a walk and did some other stuff. Let's try to finish these last programs. So talk to you in a bit. All right, there we go. I just finished the programs. Took another 30 minutes, so just about 2 hours to do all the programs today. So that was a big day. Well, on the bright side, that will take a big chunk out of this week's work. So workload. Anyway, yeah, I've got a lot of other stuff I need to get to doing now. Get about an hour there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to push some work till tomorrow. So, again, working with functions, a little bit of list stuff at the end, but that's basically it. So, talk to you tomorrow. See ya.